Good morning from hospital life, day 3. It's 4:30 in the morning. I just finished breathing treatments, acapella compression, blood draw on my wrist. It was fun. And hypertonic saline helps break up the junk. I got a couple hours of sleep this morning, so I'm happy about that. And now I'm gonna try and get a few more before shift change. So that's what's up. And breakfast is served. It's a spinach and cheese omelet with some potatoes, cottage cheese, pears, and a hot tea. It's 7:30 in the morning, so I got a few extra hours of sleep. So doing good right now. Gonna eat some breakfast and just kind of relax for the day. Walking around with my IV pole and my little pump. It's still hooked up to my chest right here. Good things. Good times. It's a bit of a pain walking with this every once in a while. And they're loading me with so much fluid, like I have to go to the bathroom a lot, which sucks, but is also good at the same time, so no major complaints. I was given oral antibiotics today, so hopefully that means I can go home tomorrow. Hopefully, we shall see. But onward to a little bit of relaxation for the day.
It's black and white.
Huh. I gotta see this. Keep recording. That's what maybe it's
Oh no, it's blue and United States of America. Is that what it is?
It's a hero. Not every day you see an Air Force helicopter land at the hospital. That's a Huey UH-1. Could be the Park Police, but the ears here are darker or lighter blue. That's a big helicopter. Do the pickle.
Do you need anything I can get you, or are you okay?
I'm good to go, thank you.
All right. You have a great day.
You too.
Feel better.
Thanks. Getting discharged.
yes.
Nurse is going to de-access the port. Needle out of the chest. We are getting jailbroken. Focus on my face, lighting. Come on, lighting. There we go.
You can see.
Now you can see us. We're getting jailbroken. They've de-accessed my port. I've got my prescriptions to go home. Now it's time to get out of here. Well, I am finally back at the casa. Feels good to be home. kicked my machine up to 4 so I can get extra oxygen. But the first order of business is to go upstairs and get clean. Second order of business is to finish cooking dinner. I'm gonna make grilled cheese sandwiches and then relax for the rest of the evening. So time to get cooking, literally. It feels amazing to be home. So happy. Sugar's doing pretty good right now. I'm at 137. I just calibrated for the night. Hospital life starts really early, so I'm like extremely tired. So I'm gonna get up the stairs here shortly and go to bed. But I wanted to talk about the pickle from earlier. This is the pickle. It's a breathing apparatus. It's known as an acapella machine. And what it does is you blow on it and it causes compression in your chest, like vibrations, to help break up mucus so you can cough that up. And it's basically it's pretty cool. It's been helping break up the mucus that I've had in my lungs over the past couple days. And I definitely had an infection, so no virus, no pneumonia, it was straight up infection. So hopefully the antibiotics that I was on, the IV stuff, knocked it out of the way, and then the pill stuff I have to take tomorrow and for the next 5 days will be more than enough to knock it out of my system. So fingers crossed. And I'm glad I got this out of the way before Rescue Banquet, because I don't want to be the designated transportee to that night like I was the last time. With that in mind, I am extremely tired. So I am going to go upstairs and I'm going to bed. I thank you all for watching. As always, have a great night, and I will see you all tomorrow.